What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fashion video. I usually do makeup videos on my channel, but today I want to switch up a little bit and do some outfits. So today I'm going to be doing a BRATZ outfit look versus a Barbie outfit look, because I feel like the two doll lines are very similar in a lot of ways in that they shaped a lot of our childhoods, but they're different in a lot of ways, like their style. But let's go ahead and get on to the first outfit today. We're going to be doing an outfit inspired by BRATZ first. So the shirt that I got is this shirt, and the reason that I'm going to be using this shirt is because it is really 2000s inspired. And if you know anything about BRATZ, is that they totally rock the 2000s aesthetic, and for this outfit that's exactly what I want to do. I got it online a couple of years ago and I think it would be perfect for this look. Next in the BRATZ looks is our pants, and these are the shorts. So basically a lot of 2000s jeans, shorts, stuff like that, they have little rhinestone things on the pockets like this. I think that it is super cute, and I think this is something that a BRATZ doll would wear. And I have this jacket. It's pink, and if you put them together, it says Angel on it. I love it because it really reminds me of Juicy Couture, which is again a 2000s staple. Another thing with BRATZ fashion is that there is so much fur. There's a lot of fur on BRATZ dolls outfits, a lot of furry jackets, furry hats. Okay, for our head accessory, I have this black furry hat. This whole entire outfit is gonna eat, guys. I also have some leg warmers. So these leg warmers are furry, and they also give off that 2000s vibe, which is why I wanted to include it in this look. Let's go ahead and put everything on and see if I could be a real life BRATZ doll. Okay guys, so I just put my hair down. Look at this. Is this video an excuse to show off my new hair? Maybe. Alright guys, look at this look. This is such a serve. I fear I ate this one up. There is one more thing I want to add to this look, and it is this belt. Okay guys, here is the finished BRATZ doll look, fit with leg warmers. I think this is super duper cute, but let's see if the Barbie look can even reach this level. Let's go ahead and move to the Barbie look. Okay, so now is the Barbie look. And when you compare Barbie to BRATZ, Barbie is much more girly and much more simplified. Barbie, they love pink. Like, that's like its main color. I have this pink top. I love this top because it's really girly, and I love how it looks at the top. It's really lacy. There's like a floral pattern, and I think this just screams Barbie, so I knew I had to use it for this look. Now, to keep going with that Barbie girly aesthetic, I'm gonna be putting on this jean skirt, and look at these ruffles. I just thought this was so cute. This is the pink belt that I had in mind for this look. This is just like screaming Barbie to me. Like, I love leg warmers. I always wear them because I just feel like they make an outfit like so much more prettier. They make it so much more like extra. I feel like in general, when it comes to outfits and makeup, I'm like way extra, and I know I have to use this for this look. Okay guys, this is the entire Barbie look on. I'm in love with this skirt and belt combo. Look at the leg warmers, guys. This totally adds to the look. Guys, let me know which of the two looks you enjoyed better. I honestly think I'm still a big fan of the BRATZ look, but the Barbie one is a really close second. Like and subscribe for more makeup and fashion videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.